Bill Garrett coming to you live from Pittsville, Wisconsin, where I started a new hobby and I wanted to share it with you. I ordered this wood carving kit. Came with some wooden blocks, different sizes. I went ahead and set to carving me a figure. After several days of working on it, this is a little guy, a little figure that I carved. Just got done painting them. People on YouTube carve craggedy looking fishermen and lumberjacks. I decided to kind of go with something different. This guy, he's wearing a hood, and you can take a look at him. He's wearing a hoodie. There he is. Oh, hey, check it out. He's a Trump supporter. He looks pretty pissed too. Shit, I don't blame him, to tell you the truth. That's right. Get your asses out and vote, biatch.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
China.